wish you all a good day, children. Welcome to another beautiful creation of Origami with us at DP Kids YouTube channel. Let's see what we are making today. Shall we make this bookmark? See, isn't it pretty? Okay, now look at this book. This is a book that has been written about origami, how to do your creations, and it even shows us the paper sizes. So see inside. So this today's creation, which is a bookmark, can you see that we can insert it like this to mark our pages? So can you see how useful origami can be on a day-to-day basis? So practical applications like this are called Jitseo origami. And because this bookmark is also useful in a day-to-day way, it's a Jitseo origami creation. There are many Jitseo origami creations like this. We'll make each one by one. If you join our YouTube channel, you can see all this being made. Let's see how. So for this also, I took a paper with a beautiful pattern. And right, now let's turn it over and fold it into half so that you are making a little triangle. Now press on the edge and turn it over, and let's make another triangle so that there's another triangle on this side. Now open it up. Can you see the two triangle shapes? Now we will fold it so that it becomes a rectangle. But remember, the pattern sides face each other. If you're making this with a paper where you have a pattern on either side, you'll have to be careful which side is which, right? Now see, there's a little sort of a mound here. Now it's not flat. So can you see that there are three triangles that have come up? We have to connect those two sides together, hold those in and push it in so that we make a big triangle from the rectangle we had earlier. Now see, there are lots of triangles in this pattern or in this shape that we have made. There are 4 actually. Now fold it like this. Can you see this little flap here? There are 2 flaps. Okay. Now you have to press down on the 2 bottom flaps, and we are going to make this pattern using the upper flaps, right? So fold it like this so that this edge comes to that edge, and we are going to do the same thing on the other side. We can make different patterns using this, but today we are going to use a heart-shaped pattern. So let's see how to make this heart shape. Now this little part, can you see? This upper edge. Now we are not going to fold it quite inside, but make sure the edges align and then fold it back. And let's do the same thing on the other side. We can look at the same size. We can make it the same size, but there can't be any protruding edges. Remember that. It should be all aligned and inside. Now these 2 edges, let's fold it in a bit like that and do the same thing on the other side. See? Right. Now this part, can you see? We are going to fold it inside a bit, slightly, not much, just a bit. Let's do it on the other side as well. Now that's our bookmark, see? Now there's a space inside here. Can you see? So that is what we are going to use to insert onto the book cover or the book page, and it's called a corner bookmark. So now our children have a lot of free time to spend at home. Let's see, we can use a piece of magazine or a beautiful newspaper. So find a lot of colorful paper like that. So think of all the books you have at home, lots, right? So you can make a lot of bookmarks like this for all your books so that you don't have to fold in your pages or make your books dirty. So that, see how useful Jitsi or Origami can be. You can make beautiful, useful creations around the house during this free time of yours. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on our YouTube channel. And that's the end of this program. See you soon.